Micro Technologies India Limited. Your security is our concern.
घरगुती आणि कार्यालयीन वापराच्या वस्तूचे बँड्रा येथे भव्य प्रदर्शन आयोजित केले आहे, ज्याला नागरिकांचा चांगला प्रतिसाद लाभला असून या प्रदर्शनात मायक्रो टेक्नॉलॉजी इंडिया प्रायव्हेट लिमिटेड या कंपनीचे विविध उत्पादन आकर्षणाचे केंद्र ठरले आहेत।
बांद्रा कुर्ला कॉम्प्लेक्स येथे विविध वस्तूंचे प्रदर्शन भरले आहे। 25 फेब्रुवारी ते 2 मार्च दरम्यान भरलेल्या या प्रदर्शनाला चांगला प्रतिसाद मिळत आहे। या भव्य प्रदर्शनात विविध घरगुती वस्तू तसेच राष्ट्रीय आणि आंतरराष्ट्रीय कंपन्या आपली उत्पादने घेऊन या प्रदर्शनात सहभागी झाली आहेत। या प्रदर्शनातील मुख्य आकर्षण म्हणजे मायक्रो टेक्नॉलॉजी या कंपनीचा स्टॉल। या प्रदर्शनात या कंपनीद्वारे विक्री व प्रदर्शनात 300 उत्पादनांचा समावेश आहे। यातील वाहनांची सुरक्षा
and you can also track your vehicle, where it is, what is the position of your vehicle, what is the speed of the vehicle, whether the vehicle is not overspeeding or not. So all these kinds of security measures are taken place.
टेलीफोन द्वारा सुरक्षा
It has got wireless sensor, so whenever the door of your home is opened, you will be getting an alert SMS, and whenever any motion is detected, you will get an alert SMS. If you feel that no, you want to communicate to someone urgently through this phone, that communication also can be done. So secure communication means the phone which gives you security as well as communication to the outside world also. This is one of the unique products which Micro is having today.
स्टूडेंट मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम
Student attendance management system is something which monitors the daily attendance of the student. If suppose a student comes to the school and just marks his attendance, his parents will get an SMS where the student has come in. And the same way when he goes out of the school, his attendance is marked off. The day when student doesn't comes to the school, at that time also his parents will get an SMS that student is not present, or the absent SMS will go. So by this the authority of the school and parents both come to know what is the position of his children or his ward in the particular school.
100 मीटर अंतरापर्यंत रेंज असलेले सीसीटीव्ही कॅमेरा सदर कंपनीने यावर्षी 3ऱ्या वर्षात पदार्पण केले असून कंपनीच्या वैशिष्ट्यांबाबत कंपनीचे संचालक लक्ष्मण यांनी अधिक माहिती दिली।
It is coming to India for the second time, and Micro Technology is participating in a big way by showcasing its important security products such as vehicle security, then ATM security, then SAMS student attendance management system, then ISS, then HSS home security, and various security products. We have been receiving tremendous response. Last year more than 1,000 visited our stall. This year we expect more than that, and we look forward to generating greater leads and thereby customer from this show. This is the biggest show in which 170 exhibitors are participating, not only from India, from China, Taiwan, Singapore, and other Korea and other countries. So it's an important event. It is the biggest security event in India.
कॅमेरामॅन रोशन हटेसह सतीश जाधव, इन टाइम।